Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Christmas clean and decorate with me. I will be focusing on my entryway this time, and I hope this video gives you guys plenty of ideas, or maybe you just want to see what I did. Either way, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do have plenty more Christmas videos coming out. I want to say 2 or 3 before my home tour, so you don't want to miss those. Make sure that notification bell is turned on, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. So as you can see, there is a huge mess right here in front of my front door, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just try to kind of put things away where they go and then move things out of the way, because I am still decorating for Christmas, so I can't quite put these bins away just yet. But I will clear out this whole space right here, and then I am just going to clean things up, and I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner, and this one is in the peppermint scent. I'm just going to wipe down this little shelf here really quickly, and then just kind of dust off that side table that you see here in a little bit. So I'm going to start here with my decorating. I'm going to decorate these lanterns that I have hanging on each side of this entryway, and I am just going to take a garland and just kind of wrap it up around and then hang it over the hook up here. And I get a lot of questions about these lanterns on where I purchased them, and I did purchase them at Hobby Lobby. They do still have them, but you are going to want to make sure that you get them when they're 50% off, because they are kind of pricey. But I absolutely love these lanterns. They look so pretty here. And then I have a flameless candle on a timer that sits right on the inside of this lantern. And the garland that I will be using, I purchased those at Michael's a few years ago, and I love them. I love that they have the flocking on them, and the flocking is almost like painted on, so it doesn't come off when you are working with it, which I love as well, because some flocking just comes off and makes just a mess everywhere, and these ones don't. So now I'm going to decorate these wire baskets that you see here on each side of this window pane. I like to decorate these throughout the seasons differently, and I wanted something that was going to hide the stems for these sprays that I was sticking in here, so I thought I would use some burlap ribbon with some lace, and I'm somewhat happy with the way they turned out. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any other suggestions on how I can hide the stems that are sitting in here, because I might end up switching them out before my home tour. But I think it worked out fine for now. And then I purchased the sprays. I believe I purchased those at Michael's a few years back as well. If it wasn't Michael's, it was definitely Joann's, but these look really pretty in here. And then I'm just going to add some cotton stems and then some other floral picks with berries, white berries on them, and then I'll add a few red berries as well. for the middle of this window pane right here, I'm just going to place a simple wreath right here, and I will be using a command hook for that, so I'm not putting any more holes in the walls. And I purchased the wreath at Walmart last year. So now that I have that area somewhat decorated, I still am going to decorate a little bit more over there in a minute, but I'm just going to move on to this little shelf area here where we have like our keys and some lint rollers down in this basket. I'm just going to decorate this area over here, and I wanted to add a little bit of Christmas in one of these baskets, so I just placed some pine cones, a few red Christmas ornaments, and then I used some little mini floral picks with some pine on them. And then for this shelf that sits directly below the keys, I wanted to add some of these really cute little mini houses, and then I thought I would also add some bottle brush trees and then more of those pine picks. So I wanted to make this area look super cozy right when you walk through the front door, and I figured that adding a ton of pillows would definitely do the trick. So right here I am just covering some pillows that I have, and I'm using some pillow covers that I made last year, and I'm also going to be using some buffalo check pillows that I have had throughout the seasons. I love these buffalo check pillows. They go with pretty much any type of decor, and I finished it off with this burlap pillow that says "Our nest is blessed," and I purchased that at Kirkland's.
Snow is falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some decorating ideas as well. If you guys have any questions about anything in this video, please don't hesitate to ask down in the comments below. I will be more than happy to answer for you. I do have a few other Christmas decorate with me and clean with me videos out right now, and I will leave those linked down in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. See you in the next one. Bye.
Who would have thought that Christmas